Here's a video showing how to install the battery cover on the T40 and T50. Step 1. Connect the cable connectors in the order 1, -2, -3. Step 2. Connect the negative terminal first, then the positive terminal. Step 3. Install the screws. If you own a T40 or T50 drone, be sure to save this video tutorial on installing the battery cover. Follow me or go to DJI Battery Expert.